So I've already put in the spark plugs. One of them is actually busted, and that's on the other side. Rather, that's actually on this side. This last one does not have a spark plug in it, and that's because the spark plug was pretty seriously damaged when the piston hit it, as you might imagine. So what I'm going to do is hook up the spark plugs that I do have, and wait until I get this one. I'm going to mask this with masking tape, and actually just let me do that right now. Just so that nothing falls into it, because now the prospect of taking all that out because I dropped something accidentally into it would be not pleasurable. So now let's see if I can work the masking tape. Let's see here. What is the deal with this masking tape? I think I'll have to remove my gloves for this. Or not. Where is the end? It has been torn unevenly once, and now it is just